Hello, and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. Hey everyone, today I'm painting on a 12 by 10 inch, quarter-inch thick wooden heart I get from Amazon. And my pillow paint is Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Extra White. And the first thing is that we have to spread out our pillow paint so that we know it will reach the edges. I don't think I have enough on right now, so we're just going to pour a little bit more on. Which is good because I'm just about out. I'm going to finish off this can here on this piece. Alright. Get any boogers out. I think I missed one, but it must spin off later. Now let's spin it out. I don't want to fully spin it off yet, so we're just going to make sure all spots are covered, and now we can add our color. First one's Folk Art Color Shift Aqua Flash. It shifts from this beautiful aqua green to this shimmery blue. It's absolutely beautiful color. Very subtle shift. I just want to make sure I get plenty of that on because I'm loving that color right now. You see that shimmer right there on the stick? Beautiful. Next is Amsterdam's Cobalt Blue. All these colors, I believe, are just mixed with the US Floetrol. I think these are my standard acrylic paint pouring paints, not my bloom paints. And this is Amsterdam's Sky Blue. I'm pretty sure these are all mixed at a 3:1 ratio. And this is Deco Arts Metallic Amethyst with some Deco Arts Neon Pink. Now I was worried that these lines were just a little too thin to swipe on, so I'm going to thicken them up. Add some more colors on the sides, just so when I swipe, my palette knife is able to swipe through all of the colors without dragging too much of that white base in. I have not found all of my palette knives yet, so right now all I have is this bigger one that I've been using. And then, I don't know if you've noticed, but these are the colors that I used in last week's coaster set that I made that I absolutely loved. Still can't get enough of the color scheme, so here we are. And my Cell activators are Amsterdam's Oxide Black and Pearl Violet, also from Amsterdam. Now I missed a little bit of the paint on the one side there, but that's okay. A little block of color without the lacing is a welcome addition because it adds to the painting, and not everything has to be covered in a swipe. And you'll see at the end, I actually love that area and how it came out. And then after you swipe, you let it sit for a few minutes and let all those cells develop. Let the magic happen. This is one of my favorite parts, is watching all the cells develop and the lacing. And now I get to enhance it with my curly doos and swirly doos. And I'll see right there, I already love that area. I like to do this on the lines and the edges to soften them and create some amazing effects. And I like to, when you run your tool through some of the lacing, it makes like hearts, and they can become leaves. It just all depends on what you're trying to do with your painting. Just drawing the different colors through each other. When you spin it and spread it out and it opens up, each one of those all has a different effect. And it's so cool. And now let's spin it out. Spinning it gets off the excess paint in a more even way rather than tilting it, because the centrifugal force pulls the paint out. If you have your piece centered properly, pulls it off in equal amounts in all directions. And if you need a little bit more pulled off one direction as opposed to the other, you can adjust where your piece is on the spinner. That will facilitate that. Spinning it and getting the excess paint off really begins to open up your design. And your composition is presented to you. Everything that you worked for has been revealed. And there's still time to, make a little adjustments. Found a little booger. Got that out and realized, wow, there's still a lot of paint there. So still need to spin. Do a little tilt action to see if it's moving much. I still see a little movement, and you can just let it keep going. Pull the paint down, the colors of the paint down more to reduce that negative space. I don't want to get rid of it completely. I'm kind of want some negative space there. Love that aqua shift. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh man, I cannot get enough of these colors. I mean, look at those lines right there. That is amazing. I love that. And now that the turquoise blue is like glowing underneath and shining through. Definitely one of my favorite color schemes. So this week I had yet another sip and pour here in Erie, Pennsylvania at the Presley and Pear, located at 19th and Chestnut. We have become quite the well-oiled machine, me and my daughter and Keith. The ladies had a blast. We did marble pours and now, one of the dilemmas when having a sip and pour is, how do your guests get their paintings home that night while they're still wet and without destroying them in transportation? Well, Keith has come up with an amazing design, and he is about to share it with you. So check this out. I'm so lucky to have him. And here's Keith designing his prototype box to get the paintings home. Now, because I use 12 by 12 canvases, the tin pan with the plastic lid won't work for me. So we got these pizza boxes that are 14 by 14 by 2 inches deep. Now, we got a little pushed in transportation, so that happened, but that was because somebody put something on top of the box. Don't do that. But I like how it contained all the paint inside of it. So, and then you put the painting back in.
It won't leak out.
And it won't leak out. Nope. You put the painting back in. Just like so. And it keeps it in place so it doesn't touch the sides. Now that's cool. Thank you so much again for watching and joining us every Saturday at the Creative Art Collective, starting at 6 p.m. in the UK, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. in the Pacific. We start with the incredible Taslima Maya art, followed by me, Patty, with Let's Pour with Patty. Then KC from CWV Artistry, finished by Sheldon Briscoe of Shell Rock Art. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to smash that like button And if you enjoyed my video today, hit the subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, keep creating. Bye.